Good morning. Chapter Permutations and Combinations, Exercise 7.1, question number 1. The question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that repetition of the digits is allowed and repetition of the digits is not allowed. So, question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 5. So first one is repetition of the digits is allowed and number 2 repetition of the digits is not allowed. Okay, so the solution is solution part number 1 first. First one is when repetition of the digit is allowed. Okay, so we have 5 digits 1 to 5. The unit place can be filled filled by any one of the digits unit place can be filled by any one of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, because we have 5 digits, so unit place can be filled in 5 ways. Okay, so repetition of the digit is allowed. The tens and hundred place can be filled can be filled in 5 ways, because repetition of the digits is allowed of the digits is because repetition of the digits is allowed. Okay, see, we have to make 3-digit number, that means unit place, tens place and hundred place. So unit place can be any one out of 5 digits, so 5 ways. Now tens place also same 5 ways, because repetition is allowed, and hundred place also can be 5 ways, because repetition is allowed. Okay, so therefore total 3-digit numbers equal to, therefore total 3-digit number equal to, all are 5 only, so 5 into 5 into 5, unit place, tens place and hundred place, equal to 125. Okay, 125. Now second question, see, second one, number 2 is repetition is not allowed. Okay, so the unit place can be filled by any one of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so the unit place can be filled in 5 ways. 5 ways. Okay, now already taken 1 digit, so out of 5 minus 1, that is 4 digits left. Now 4 digits left.
Yes.
Now 4 digits left, so the tens place can be filled in 4 ways. Can be filled in 4 ways by remaining 4. Okay, can be filled in 4 ways, and
Yes, sir.
and 100 place the
3 ways.
yes, the 100 place can be filled in 3. 100 place can be filled in 3 ways. Okay, by the remaining 3 digits, by the remaining 3 digits, because because repetition of the digits is not allowed. Okay, so therefore total three-digit numbers equal to unit place 5, then 4, then 3. Okay, so
5 into 4 into 3,
yes,
60.
5, 10 plus 4 and 100 plus 3. So equal to 60. 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 5, 60. Okay, this is the answer. Part 2, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see question number 2. How many three-digit even numbers? Three-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. If the digits can be repeated, okay, the repetition is allowed. Make three-digit even numbers. So we know even numbers means unit place always even. Okay,
Yes, sir.
unit place always even. So how many even digit they are present? How many even? 2, 4,
2,
6,
4, 6.
3.
So 2, 4, 6.
Yes. So here the unit place.
There are 3 ways for each.
Yes. Unit place can be filled by any one of the digits, by any one of the digits 2, 4 and 6. Okay, from 1 to 6, 3 even numbers, 2, 4 and 6. So the unit place can be filled in 3 ways. Okay, the tens and hundred place, tens and hundred place can be filled by any one of the digits of the 1 to 6. Okay, 1 to 6, because repetition is allowed.
Yes, sir.
5, 6. So tens and hundred place can be filled in hundred place can be filled in 6 ways. 6 ways. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because repetition is allowed, so any number you can take. Therefore total, how many 3-digit even numbers? Total 3-digit even numbers, 3-digit even numbers. Total 3-digit even numbers equal to 6
So
into
6 into 6 into 3, which is 36.
6 into 6 into
equal to
108.
108. So unit place 3 option, 3 ways, another 2 are 6 ways. 6 into 6 into 3, 36 into 3, that is 108. Okay, it's clear? Even numbers, you remember, even number means always unit place will be even, always. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
next question number 3. How many four-letter codes? How many four-letter codes can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. If no letter can be repeated, no letter can be repeated. Okay, so you have 10 letters and make 4-letter code, 4-letter codes. Okay, so here the unit place can be filled. Here the unit place can be filled by anyone of the 10 letters now so the unit place can be filled in 10 ways. We have 10 letters. Okay, we have 10 letters, need 4 letters.
Yes, sir.
No letter can be repeated. Okay, so no letter can be repeated, so repetition is not allowed. Okay, so now 9 letters left. So the tens place can be filled in 9 ways. Okay, similarly Similarly, 100 place and 100 place and 1000 place. No, ones, tens, 100, 1000.
Yes, sir.
100 place and 1000 place can be filled in can be filled in 8 and 8 ways and
7. 7 with
yes, 7 ways. Okay, since repetition is not allowed. Okay, since
yes.
repetition is not allowed. Okay, so question is how many 4-letter codes? Therefore total 4-letter codes. Therefore total 4-letter codes number equal to
So 10 into 9 into 8 into
10 into 9 into 8 into 7. That is 90 into 56. That is 5040.
5040.
like this now 7, 8, 9, 10 now 7, 8, 9,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7, 8, 9, 10 multiply then equal to
Sir, 5040.
5040 ways.
5040. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, so this is the answer 5040. Okay, it is clear, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.